in confusion. I don't know why. I sit here on my own, self-reliance. It's time to cry out for you, Lord. And I'm waiting for you to show